When it comes to fashion or styling outfits, all I always want is to be comfortable. I don't know about you. Fashion to me is being comfortable.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
Welcome back. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and please do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. So for today's video, I am going to be talking about what not to wear to the airport. So today I would like to say thank you once again to Dozier Perfume for sponsoring this video again and again and again. Thank you so much. I appreciate your cooperation. I appreciate your partnership with me. Thank you so much. I have two of their perfume to present to you in this video. They are another scent. They are not what I presented before, and we are going to experience everything together. Dozier perfume are tailored and inspired by high-end perfume. I like to emphasize on the fact that they are not fake. I just want you to know that, but they are inspired by those high-end perfume that we all always spend our hard-earned money on. If you want to experience, if you want to have the same experience, the same luxurious experience as those high-end perfume, I will recommend you check out Dozier perfume. I will leave the link to the website in my description box. Also, I will leave my discount code. So my number one point that I'll be mentioning today, what not to wear to the airport, I will recommend that you should not put on tight pants. If a tight is as tight as this, to put it on, how can you be comfortable to take it out? Think about the bathroom, in the bathroom, the restroom, the ladies, the loo, whatever you call the bathroom in wherever part of the world you're watching me from. Think about how small it is in the airplane. They are very, very compacted, like very small. You know, it's just for you to go in and do whatever you have to do, especially number one. I don't think most people will do number two in the plane. And if it's very tight and you're trying to take down that tight part, you're struggling to take it out. You know how long it's going to take you to take it out, how long it's going to take you to put it on back. And think about people that are waiting outside the door to come in. You don't want to put anybody in that kind of pressure waiting to go number one or number two. The first perfume that I'll be presenting to you today by Dossier Perfume is called Amber Vanilla. This one is inspired by YSL Black Opium. I don't have this as part of my collection, but I've tried it in the store before, and I hope I will be able to remember the experience. And if not, I'm just going to tell you how I feel about the scent. It does have the top note, the middle note, also the base note. Alright, you all know how Dozier works. You know, go onto their website, you will see quiz that you can actually take to know what kind of scents that you would like. Also, you will see names of, you know, high-end brands that this perfume by Dozier are inspired by. By doing so, you can be able to pick the one you want, and if you pick and you don't like, they ship it to you. You can ship it back to them for free. You will get your money back. It's a risk-free purchase. I love to say that. So this is how this is looking in the bottle. All right, the top notes, middle notes, and the base note is always on the bottle, just in case if you misplace this. And this one is Amber Vanilla. I recommend you keep this so that you can be able to remember what perfume this is inspired by. This is inspired by YSL, and this is 15% concentration. All right, so we're going to go ahead and try this on my wrist as usual. So we go ahead, spray it. Wait, oh god, oh my goodness, like the moment I sprayed, I can't even wait for the magic to begin, because the magic began before I even put down the bottle. Oh my god, it's so sweet. Wow, video, it's so sweet, and it's it's scented like something that is like unisex, like something that a man can wear, woman can wear. It's not that strong, it's not that subtle, it's just in between. It's really sweet. Don't sleep on this perfume, ladies. Moving on to point number 2, I wouldn't recommend you to wear one piece to the airport to go into the plane. One piece can be very comfortable on several occasions, but not for flying. Trust me. How do you want to do that in that compacted, let's go back to that again, that small little bathroom, small little restroom, low in the plane? How do you want to go from, you know, taking out the button or unzipping and taking everything from all the way up down and then putting it on back? Ladies, I wouldn't recommend you to wear one piece to the airport. I would recommend you wear loose pants, just like the one I'm wearing in this video. It's very comfortable. I need no belt. Wearing belt too is another thing, because when you put belt, let's assume you're wearing a jeans and the jeans is tight and you're wearing a belt on it, you get to the security post where you're going to be checked, you're going to take off the belt. Talk about the stress. You take it off, you're going to put the belt on back after you're finished. Meanwhile, you have a plane to catch, especially if you're late already and you start running through those gates in order for you to catch up with your plane. Ladies, do not put yourself in that position. One piece I would not recommend for you to wear to the airport, not even a pants that you have to use a belt. Another thing that I would not recommend, which is my point number 3, is lace-up shoes. Why would I not recommend this? Is because when you get to the security post at the same time, you're going to take off your shoes because they're going to check you. So you have to unzip. Imagine wearing a boot, because where you're going to land is very cold and you decided to wear a boot. Why not pack that boot into your luggage and wear something instead? A slip-on. That's what I would recommend. Slip-on are very comfortable for you to slip on. That's why they call it slip-on, and you can take them out very easy. When you're wearing a lace-up shoe, you have to unbuckle the laces and you have to put it on back. By the time you pass through security post, that will kind of delay you. Think about it, you have a plane to catch. Fourth point that I'll be mentioning, this is no-brainer. Look at what I'm wearing now. Let me come up a little bit for you ladies to see. This is sleeveless. We all know what is meant by sleeveless. I would not recommend you wear sleeveless into the plane. If you know where you're going to land, it's going to be humid, it's going to be hot. And the plane is cold. You cannot control the cold in the plane. Even if you turn on the fan that is ahead of you, think about the next person beside you. Whatever they have their fan on is still going to be coming to your side. So wearing a short sleeve, you're going to be cold. What I would recommend instead is, even if you're going to wear short sleeve, just because where you're going to land, it's going to be hot, I would recommend you have a light sweater with you that you're just going to put on top of your short sleeve. So the next perfume that I'll be presenting to you today by Dozier perfume, of course, no risk purchase. They are not fake, they are inspired by high-end perfume. So this one is called Amber Cherry, and this one is inspired by Tom Ford. Right, I love the sound of that. It says Lost Cherry by Tom Ford. This one is inspired by that, and the concentration is 18%. We have the top notes, the middle notes, and the base notes. I'll put them on the screen. All right, ladies, and this is how this is looking in the bottle. They are all 50 ml. They are very travel friendly. You have the name of the perfume at the bottom. Also, you have the notes on the bottle as well. This is how this look right here, and we're going to go ahead and try this on the card because I have my YSL all over me and I'm still smelling so golden and beautiful and so sweet. I can just imagine me walking beside somebody and they're going to ask me, what perfume are you wearing? That's the feeling I think I'm going to get. Trust me, because it smells so good. So let's go ahead and try this one that is inspired by Tom Ford. It smells more masculine. I'm going to recommend this for a man. Buy it for your husband or your significant other or your boyfriend, you know, or just your male friend. It smells so good. So good. I like it. Even though it's men perfume, trust me, it's not overpowering. It's sweet. The next point that I will not recommend, which is my number 5, will be no big handbag. You all don't want to be like this lady. How can you have so much luggages, carrying this, carrying that, and you have a coat on your shoulder to the point that it fell and you didn't know? Ladies, you want to have a very simple bag, very classic and very simple bag, just a crossbody. If you want to do a waist bag, that also it's acceptable, but you want your two hands to be free. As long as you put your luggage, your hand luggage in the compartment, in the plane compartment, you want the rest of your hand to be free. Also, when you're walking in the airport with your hand luggage, you don't want to have hand luggage here and have a big bag here. That would be so uncomfortable. You need one free hand to be able to move very comfortable. You don't want to be dragging too much of load. I'm going to recommend a crossbody or a waist bag, something very simple, in order for you to be very comfortable and look stylish. My number 6 point I'm not going to recommend is wearing a big hat, especially in the plane. Why? Okay, I know some people are going to places that they're going to need hats to cover themselves. Maybe they're going to go to the pool, or they're going to go to the beach, or where they're landing is very hot and decided to go with, you know, some fashionable hat or the one for the beach. But there are ways that you could do that to, you know, to avoid you blocking other people's in the plane. Sitting down with your big hat on your head in the plane, it's not going to be, I wouldn't recommend that, ladies. I'm not going to recommend that. It's just not going to elevate your look. It's just going to seek unnecessary attention, and people are going to be giving you the look of, who does she think she is, kind of, you know. So I would recommend that you pack that into your luggage. I'll be showing you how I did that in when I went recently to my vacation. I will show you how easily you can just avoid, you know, some of us we do that because we don't want to, some of us we do that because we don't want to ruin the shape of our hat. But there are ways you can stylishly pack them. Last point, which I will not recommend for you to wear to the airports to go into the plane, will be a cargo pants. And the reason is, cargo pants tend to, of course, most of them, they tend to be loose, right? They look like they're easygoing, right? Relaxed pants, right? But the problem with them is they have a lot of pockets. So you're going to have, some of you might have forgotten you have this in there, you have that there, you have this there. And by the time you get to the security post and you already brought out some stuff, remember, from your pocket, and you've forgotten that there are other pockets attached to a cargo pants, then you're going to go into the security post. Then the thing alarm go bam on you just because you forgot maybe a medal or something that is dangerous, not intentionally, into your pocket. Then you're going to send back, you're going to take it out. Think about how you're delaying the process of you going to board your plane more. You're delaying the process of you boarding plane more by, you know, having unnecessary things in your pocket. You have to bring everything out one after the other. Make your life easier. Wear a free pocket pants, a free pocket pant that is loose and still fits your shape. Just put it on and you're good to go. Like I said in the beginning of this video, all I think about when I'm styling or wearing clothes is I want to be comfortable. You know, of course I want to look elegant and look stylish, but at the same time, comfort is on top of my list. How about you? All right, ladies, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to check the description box for Dozier Perfume's link, and also my link for you to be able to shop at a reduced price more. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.